Okay, well, what I was saying was that Pearl, having a disability, she deserves to be educated in the least restrictive environment. I don't understand why that's difficult.
Right now, the least restrictive environment is going to be a resource placement through comprehensive distance learning.
Okay, and what's the reason for that?
Because we are under a state mandate that all children at school have to wear masks.
Okay, so despite the evidence showing that it is harmful for children, that it is basically child abuse if you mask my daughter, you're going to follow that regardless.
We're going to follow the governor's order.
If the governor started saying you should start whipping children when they misbehave, are you going to do that too?
I don't anticipate that the governor is
I didn't anticipate the governor would be doing this. No one anticipated this. Okay, so anyway, for Pearl, like I was saying, for her to be successful and based on her rights as a disabled person in this country, she has a right to be in school. No one is going to put a mask on my child's face that is proven through, these are only 3 studies. There are a lot of studies out there showing what masks are doing to children. It is child abuse.
Okay, so it's clear to me that we're not going to be able to have a productive meeting today. I'm going to go ahead and end the meeting.
Well, Erica, maybe
first thing Monday, Leanne.
Maybe you can remove yourself from the meeting so that we can continue and figure out which supports Pearl needs in order to be successful.
So the meeting is going to end now.
So we're not even touching on any of Pearl's needs for school because...
I'm happy to go...
Okay, then go. Then do it.
Okay. All right. So, Jeff, we're going to have to develop it for comprehensive distance learning, and we'll just see how far we can get. We've got about 22 minutes.
And just so for the record, I am not in agreement to Pearl having distance learning because she has never been successful with distance learning. We did try it, and she was not successful. So you're saying you are saying that you're okay with her not being successful. The data shows she has the most success in an in-person learning environment. That's what the data shows, based on her history of education.
Yep. This is the situation we're in. We have to either do it in comprehensive distance learning or she has to wear a mask. Those are only 2
She does not have to wear a mask. There is no law saying that my daughter has to wear a mask. Did you vote on that? Because I did not vote on that. There's no law.
The governor's order holds the weight of law for us.
The governor's order is child abuse. Based on these scientific studies, it is child abuse, and you guys will not be abusing my child. I don't understand why that's so difficult for you to understand. How are you even able to do this to children? I don't understand how you could even support that knowing the information that you have.
So I have a lot of different information, but as I said, we're not going to be debating the efficacy of math. So, Jeff, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and just end the meeting. We've done the best we can. I'll be in touch with you electronically, Leanne.
No, I'm not in agreement to that. I want my daughter's IEP worked on today. I have a right, and this IEP is requested. We came here for a meeting. I'm not talking about masks anymore. I'm talking about Pearl. So go ahead and start about Pearl.
The IEP is being developed around comprehensive distance learning, and every time I say that, you have kind of kept us from continuing. So I want to be clear that that's why we're ending the meeting.
Okay, well, I want to be clear that I just want to talk about what supports Pearl needs to succeed.
Okay, we can do that. It will be in comprehensive distance learning.
She is not successful in comprehensive distance learning.
Okay. So, and that's the circular discussion that we're having. So, Jeff, go ahead and end the meeting.